Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Generation Old School. In today's video, we're gonna be meeting with Mario from Florida Hotrods. He owns a shop in Miami, Florida, where he fixes and customizes old school cars and trucks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, let me know with a like. And if it is your first time passing by my channel, go ahead and subscribe. It is raining like crazy, so I hope the rain doesn't mess up the video. I'm gonna do my best. Let's go ahead and start the vlog. So this is a 1950 Chevy 3100. As you guys can see, it has an engine swap. It has a 5.7 Ls1. Detroit steel wheels. It's on air lift, air suspension. It came out of Long Island. The back, as you guys can see, is custom made. And the guy that built this car, his name is Jason. Like I said, it came out of Long Island, and it was actually built in memory to his dad. His dad used to work for Long Island Electrical Company, and those transformers are actually the airbags for the air ride suspension. This lights up at night. The interior, as you guys can see, the guy that built this car, he liked to work with copper, so he has a lot of copper on the AC, the vents. We're gonna take you guys for a quick ride. Guys, there you have it. We wanted to do a couple of rolling shots, but it started raining, so I guess we'll do that another time.
This is a 50 Chevy 3100. It's on a stock frame, Corvette front and rear suspension. This is pretty much a full build, LS motor. It's gonna have Accuair full CVT E-level AC. It's pretty much building the whole truck.
Very
We
nice,
put the whole
man.
front end on it. We did all the metal work on it. We're aligning all the doors and all the panels on it.
Very nice. And this one, I can see that you already put the
This is the 50 Buick. We've done this one before. This is just, we're working on it little by little, but
It's coming
nice.
along.
I got the customer bringing me the whole front clip, the doors and everything, so we can start putting it together. And then after that, it'll go to paint to get it painted. Fuel system, brake system, air ride is all on. That's a custom fuel tank. It's got a Ford 9-inch rear, Willwood brakes,
It's coming out nice,
full
man.
exhaust, Borla mufflers.
Very nice. Do we have anything else over there?
Yeah.
It's a nice one.
This is the, we've done this one before as well. This is a 61 Impala with an Ls1 Swap. I did disc brakes all around, brand new suspension, tubular control arms, AC system.
How long usually takes you from the moment you get it to you finish?
It depends on the customer and depends how much of a build we're doing. Something like this will probably take about 2 to 3 months to do a full Ls swap and full suspension and everything. This truck was built a couple years ago, but it came in just to do like the CPP big brake kit, front and rear, and the E-level system on it from Accuair.
It already has it on?
It has it on already.
Very nice one. This car, they continue to go up in value, man.
Yeah. This is our Oldschool truck. This is, we've done this one as well in the past. This one I just finished the Ls swap on it. It's a 5.3, 2005, 406 transmission.
Headers.
It's headers, full fuel system, AC system, custom intake. It's got the mob steels. We left the cutoff exhaust on the mufflers, on the fenders. So we can do the cutoffs here. Right. This is an LS2 motor from Texas Speed.
Brand new?
All brand new, custom built for a 64 Chevy that I'm building.
Nice.
That motor's got 565 horsepower out of the box.
Wow.
And it's gonna be a twin turbo motor.
This one is nice too.
This is a 55 Cadillac, all original. It came in for a complete air ride system, full air ride and vintage air AC.
This one's really nice. You did that yourself?
Yes. It's got 2 Viair 380 compressors, the 5-gallon tank, and the VU4 from Accuair.
The exhaust.
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't see that anymore.
No. That's another LS motor I have there. That one is a 2008 Suburban 5.3. That one is going into a 54 Rolls Royce.
Rolls Royce.
So yeah, that one will be here soon. We'll be filming that one soon.
Well guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know what you like, and if it is your first time passing by my channel, go ahead and subscribe. My name is William Leonard. You can find me on social media at Generation Oldschool. And if you guys like this content, make sure to subscribe to Mario at Florida Hotrods on Instagram and also on YouTube. Adios.